Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and if you want to bring out your lips, the best way to do it is by wearing a red lipstick. And in my opinion, the Maybelline New York Super Stay lipstick in the shade Exhilarator, which is shade number 340, is without a doubt the perfect red. There are so many reasons why I love this lipstick. The main two being that one, it is the perfect color, and two, it is the perfect formula. Red is an amazing color because you can wear it with so many outfits and you know that your lips will always look good. And this lipstick also has the best formula because it literally lasts the entire day. You can drink beverages, you can have food, and you know for sure that your lipstick is gonna stay on your lips. So it definitely makes me feel secure whenever I wear this lipstick. So whenever I am in doubt, I decide to go for the Maybelline Exhilarator lipstick. And that's my point of view.